This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Morning guys, March 1st, 2019. This is an area to call for no heat. I have worked for this guy before. I think he's a Spanish type of guy or Portuguese or something. I was there probably about a year ago or something. I think I might have changed the thermocouple on there, but he's complaining about he's got no heat. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't, is what his complaint is on the heat. Because he has called me a couple of weeks ago in the middle of the night, no heat. And I called him back and his heat was working again, so it's kind of something's happening there. It's going on and off. Something's working, sometimes it works, sometimes it don't, type of thing. But he's called me back. It's been another couple of weeks. Anyway, I'm going there now and see what's going on with it. See if I can figure it out. Me and my buddy, me and my working partner, Miss Molly. Me and my working partner, Miss Molly, going to the job. Molly is working again, y'all. Anyway, when we get there, if it's something interesting, I'll try to get you some shots on it. The call for heat here. It is calling. I did check it is pulled in here. It's just not firing. I did check the gas valve. Hear it clicking? Yeah. Pilot is on, so we know it's a bad gas valve because I checked. I had 24 volts there. Gas valve's not opening.
Oh, okay.
And I did check it with my meter, so I have to change that. Okay. And the pilot is on. Okay. He said you're seeing the pilot on up there, right? Yeah, the pilot is on, so that shouldn't be that bad. I do have one here.
Okay.
We'll just change it out.
I need this to work because
no big deal.
it's cold in the house.
Yeah, we'll get it going.
I think tomorrow the snow's coming.
We got gas upstairs. We checked that, so that's not an issue. Been working sometimes it don't work, right? Yeah, so the gas valve has probably been going for a while, because you had called me in the past, right? And then you called me and it was all right?
Yeah, I called you. I called you before. So it's because it's like one night. Yeah, it's not working. So it started working in the morning.
Then it started working in the morning.
And now stop. So last night, it's gone. That's it now. Something's wrong.
Well, we'll see what we can do for you. Put a new one in for you. Got the power off there. No work today?
No.
I did check all the rollout switches and they're all fine, so that's not the issue. You just never know with this stuff. I mean, you gotta check everything, you know?
Yeah, okay.
Stop boom?
Yep. Portuguese, no?
No, I just know the saying.
Oh, okay.
Gotta know the lingo, right?
Yeah.
You gotta know the lingo.
I think you came over here before.
Yeah, I came here before. Yeah, I worked here before.
Yeah,
I think I changed the thermocouple. Yeah, I changed that.
That's why I save your number.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, the cop was nice enough to let me park outside. I did ask him if they were working on a gas line, and he says they didn't shut anything off to the house. So that's why I checked to make sure that there was gas in the stove.
Yeah.
Right? Because we don't want to be changing gas valves and there's no gas in the house. And this thing is on. This thing is on, so you didn't play with that.
If you not have the gas, it's not work, so...
It should be the same exact gas valve, so it shouldn't be an issue. I got the power off, so we got these two disconnected. It's an easy one to change. I mean, it's right here. Easy to get to. Right?
Yeah.
Three.
Maybe this is too old.
Well, it's like anything else, you know. I mean, things just break after time. They let go.
Yeah.
Just how it is. Standing pilot gas valve. That's a common one I got in the truck. Let's get an arrow. We gotta put it in the right way. And on the side's gotta be 3/4, so we'll put the 3/4 block on there. Right, arrow coming in this way, so put that right on there like that for the 3/4.
Nice, dá pra mim aquela coisa de água aqui dentro dela. Tá bom. Não. Ah, bom, se tinha uma vez que dia uma vez que você recebeu mais chamar, porque tinha uma mensagem na época. Oh, sanu appuntamento to aqui só ainda chama. Sanu homem tá com bom coisa ali na casa, ali na minha de quem tudo. Você não vai se mentir, aqui se ainda chama.
Mas tô você vai oferecer se demais, meu.
Oh, não dá chama para trás já. Não falou com.
Conseguiu maneira difícil fazer?
Nossa, difícil de.
Não,
não tem problema. Não tem problema.
It's a setup for natural gas, not propane. They got a propane kit and the LP kit, but I don't need that.
Nem como se chama.
Esse era pipi, ele para cá dentro.
Okay.
Esse time ali era o cunhado ali, né?
Já escreveu negócio?
Aí vou escrever e apareceu.
Já escreveu negócio?
Minha telefone está na casa. Não, vamos ter um número lá. Eu vou ver o número, né?
Oh, não pode dizer que não lê essa cara. Ah, essa aí, mas aqui a vez tem dia.
Tem pouco, né?
Tem dia de 3 horas, 4 horas.
Sim, mas você virar o horas show.
Olha.
Você virar o show, você vai. Eu tenho uns 6 meses busy. Março. Uau. Março, eu tô bound. Fazer show de novo. Essa marca do nós estamos rapaz, ninguém está internado. Ninguém corre Boston.
Filing on.
Como é que eu vou conseguir?
Same valve, so.
Essa Fame problema aqui naquele
Ano passado não apanhava com uma coisa
Ano
não.
passado eu mostrar. Ele que vem com agora. Como você vê, ele tem lume incendido lá, mas só que ele tem power de pressão.
Para subir riba.
Lume,
Para subir riba, é.
para subir riba. Então ele fica com o lume só no tirou.
Mas é caro, tá bom, troca não, sabe?
Agora bem, esse jogo é melhor. Que vai agora como está, que vai.
Novo na coisa, na internet, como a Miguel que tinha, você tem bom coisa lá.
Mas Michel nunca é do programa.
Vai olhar para você vai comprar. Hoje ele tem grande coisa na casa.
Troca cartãozinho aqui.
Hey, what are you guys saying anyway?
Gás.
Huh? What are you guys saying?
It's a Creole.
Huh? That's Creole?
It's my language, Creole.
Oh, okay.
And speak Creole, speak Portuguese.
No, I don't speak it. I wish I did.
Quer ver and speak a lot of language.
Yeah.
Me no speak it.
You go the first language is Creole. Second language is
Oh,
Portuguese.
Creole.
Yes. And the second if you go to school you
Oh,
speak.
so it's Creole's like Portuguese,
Yes.
Spanish
Yes.
mix.
Yes.
So where you from?
My friend is Cabo Verde, Africa.
You're from Africa?
Yeah, Cabo Verde. Cabo Verde, right.
Really?
Yeah.
No kidding. So how do you miss it over there? No, Africa.
Yeah.
Nice and warm all the time, right?
Yeah.
Sim, você já ativa. Você para de papiar, tio, mano. Sempre tá papiando na Guiné. Assim, tio, que você pai. Aí,
Yeah.
rapaz,
Essa não...
mas rapaz, essa de meia.
Yeah, essa não vai mesmo. Eu estava num país daqui, uma greta de assim, vai, assim, outro, coisa que se usa, um sapo, WhatsApp.
Como caro esse direito?
Claro, somos aí.
Por bateria, não.
Um por bateria nova.
Put the thermal couple in there and the
Trabalho, mano.
Não, que só na trabalho, você for na trabalho, mas que tem power na...
thermal couple.
É frio, você
Pilot.
acaba com
We'll
bateria.
wait it. We'll see what happens.
Volta com o azul.
Tem que andar com
Bem com ele, poli... Buta com aquela hora para o trabalho.
Oh man, got that
Agora
there.
tem um gás, mas dá na...
Depende da coisa. Tem semana, você deve voltar com
To get the pilot in there and light the pilot. It should be. We'll have to set the gas valve once it goes on.
Não, talvez mina de merca que te conta. Merca que tem de subir, você também merca caro, só que na praia não força.
If he is old, it's fine. Ele pouco coisa não, para.
Should be open all the way. That's the way I like to run. Alright.
Casa na praia.
Light the pilot. Yeah.
Gas, cabo de gas.
There it goes. She's on now.
Está no passar ou está lá?
Alright, pilot stand on.
É, tem que estar manda.
Essa será agora uma 7 anos me inventou para ele. A minha enfrentamento é
No bazar.
não, essa não será a piscina. Quando eu comecei a furar, essa não será a roda de molhada. Eu não será a roda de molhada, eu vou esperar.
Essa barata
Agora,
também.
se eu for de molhar agora. Se eu de molhar agora, não vou até mas eu fazer piscina. Vou tirar a defesa.
Put this on so when we start it, set the gas valve.
Um bravo banco.
Set the gas valve with the meter.
família. Tem o telefone na casa não, esse daí é galera. Perto do caixão. Muito perto do caixão dela. Por isso não tem mais nojinho. Gajo não é transferente. Então, se ali na tua casa que tu precisa não para vender, você que mora. Precisamos checar lá para lá.
When we start it, we can set the gas pressure. Alright, so we'll turn this on. It's got zone valve, so it's gonna take 90 seconds to call.
Yeah.
It's got zone valves. Well, it should fire. And we'll check the gas pressure once it starts. Well, so it's gonna be. It'll take 90 seconds to call.
Yep.
It's too high. Gotta turn it down to 3.5.
Trabalho de virar lá para a hora como que você vai fazer bela. Não, minha hora para fazer caminho, não, tem que fazer de maneira ocupada, a minha cena já é tudo controlado. Business. Não queremos que eu faça um negócio meio sagrado.
Não, você de dinheiro.
Não, já tem uns 12 meses para lá.
2 meses está aqui.
2 meses está tudo bom.
Yeah, 3.5. That's what we want.
Yeah, mas we just have it. No,
It's too high before. Yeah, so you had a bad gas valve there.
oh, okay.
It's running now, so. Alright, turn this to pilot. Take my meter off of there.
Botava aqueles vinhos para baixo. Agora está bom e isso é tratamento. No hospital com cursos, dal ferro, com ferro curso. Mesmo igual de 44 anos.
É, que ela também pode estar esforçada.
Ele não companhia. É que a companhia tem sorte. É a própria companhia que mostra para carregar os episódios para as coisas. Obrigado.
Vídeo sim, primeiro de dar. Vamos.
Alright, turn this back on, should fire. There we go. Yeah, Houston, we have ignition.
Good now?
Yeah, it's running. I set the gas valve, so we should be good. Alright guys, new gas valve, set to 3.5. I was here last year and did the thermocouple. That's it, that's it. Alright, that's it. Yeah, unplug me, I'm good to go. Alright, we're just checking for leaks here. I don't see anything. It's always good to double check.
Yeah.
You know? Make sure we got no leaks. Okay, that looks good. Alright, that's good.
Thanks.
Okay, they were working right outside the guy's house digging, so I didn't know if they were digging on the gas. But he had gas in the house at the stove, so it was alright. Cop let me in to park over here. Yeah, the cop let me in to go park in front of the guy's house. I mean, they got the road closed. So when I seen that, it's like, oh man, maybe they got the gas off.